You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this country once and for all correctly. We'll look at the English pronunciation first, which is not obvious. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. And then with the Portuguese pronunciation, Portugal, that's English pronunciation here. Yes, it's a ch sound, right? It's not a T, not Portugal. Portugal, not Portugal. Okay, now the Portuguese pronunciation is as Portugal, Portugal. Therefore, you can hear that the English pronunciation is quite similar. English pronunciation, Portugal. Portuguese pronunciation, Portugal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.